go. You go through yet? Just about. Just look. It don't want to come off. It just wants to get up there. There it goes. Who needs a muffler, right? Right. Now this is the OEM Ford muffler. Will the truck still start? I think so. Looks like it. Will the truck sound better? Let's find out. It does sound a lot better. It may be quite loud, but that's the way you want it. She's nice and loud now. You just want to do a muffler delete and just delete it completely. You won't have zero problems on the mission now. And it'll add another 300 horsepower. Guaranteed. Sound better now, guys? I hope so. Whoops. Other than a little bit of low trending fluid, it sounds really good. I might have scared the cattle. I might have scared everybody. I'm sorry. But that's how we usually treat this truck. The reason why it won't go too good, it's out of training fluid, so I don't want to drive it anymore. But does it ever run so good? It actually sounds sweet too. Man, that's gotta be fun going out and racing that thing. Oh no, the cattle are fine. You can see them way over there. Yeah, they don't give a crap. Yeah. That's a true diesel, and I owe it to all you guys for donating for this truck on YouTube. Without your help, I would have never got it going, and it's running just like when we got it. I'm not going to drive down the road. I don't think it'll ever go down the road again. It'll just be used on the farm here in the yard to be towing stuff. It'll never go down the road again. I wouldn't trust it anyway, because it's one thing I have to do is I have to disconnect the batteries. We got a recall on this thing in 2009 where it catches on fire in the middle of the night. It's the cruise control, and it could never make it to the dealership. Calling it a Ford. But yeah, it is what it is. I don't want to abuse her too hard, but this truck runs good. Thank you everyone for the donations. Like I said, I don't mean to say like I need it all the time, but when you guys do the super chat on YouTube, that helps me create more content for you guys, more videos like fix up this truck more if I can, fix up that power stroke, my truck, my avalanche, anything, and cameras. You know, it all takes a lot of work. People think it's just easy just to film and make money on YouTube. It's not that easy. Sure, it's easy to film, but I'm putting myself out there and with a pickup, and then sometimes it's not a good idea. You know, you gotta watch what you film. But now it's on fire. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'm just saying, you know, if you guys want to donate, sure. If you don't have the money, that's fine. I understand. I mean, I'm not asking for handouts. I don't like that. But in order to make the channel grow, it's difficult now with the ad-friendly crap. Not just me, it's big YouTubers too. But thank you guys. She lives to die another day. I'm gonna put her away now because I just don't want to wreck it. I got to change oil, bad, and fill filter, and get some tranning fluid, and maybe some tires. Tires, they all hold air, except that one, the valve stem shot. But I don't know if it's overheating. I never checked. I don't care. It probably is. Oh, the tach's working. Oh, it's not even on there yet. Not even there. Alright, so I lost my headlight assembly. You don't need that. That's what pliers are for. Alright, well thanks for watching, and like I said, if you guys want to see more videos of this truck or more videos, hit that like button. I'm trying my best here. I don't think it'll start in the winter time. We'll try doing a cold start. If it doesn't start, I'm not wrecking my new starter or wrecking the truck completely. As far as that one, I don't think it'll be driven this year anymore. Not till next year, because it fell apart, if you've seen in the previous video. Alright, well thanks for watching. Have a good one, everybody.